Manyosa. Manyosa itong Maka libre. Inanakapit pa naman magdugo. Magdugo po Fuentes. Fuentes. Step back 3. No good. Rebound by Mabugnon. Mabugnon to Maka. Maka na libre. Wala pa rin. Mabugnon. Last pass on.
Kaya po yan!
Bure. From downtown, no good. Rebound by Maka. Maka penetrate. Paso ba yan? Libre sa press. No good again. Rebound by Manyosa. Bure. Ito tumambok ng Galagdara. So, Bure from Galagdara. Galagdara. Tumagtugo. Mago. Sa gitna. No good. Rebound by Umandram. Manyosa to. Bayan. Baligay. Makalagin. So, Bure from Makalagin. Running score 45-49. 4.8. Nice. Sumabog ka Malagwet na still may Makalagin. Pass to Umandam to Makalagin. Time! 10 segundos. Galang na ito Maklat sa ilalim. Daro mo ka sa gitna. Carving the face. Block pero may foul. Second personal foul Mabugnon. First team. 2 free throws for number 5, Maklat. First free throw, no good. Second and last throw, split free throw, 50. Manyosa, Mabugnon. Balagwit step back. No good. Tidak ada Umandam. Umandam. Paso Bayan to Maka nagtitimon. Almost a steal completed by Magdugo to Galagdara. Time. Prepare next game. Exhibition game. LGU Laginian versus NBI officials. Manyosa. Paso Mabugnon. Aliyok. Cheboy from Mabugnon. Bure. Thinking 3. Short. Rebound by Mabugnon. 4 minutes. Mabugnon. Paso Gay to Maka. Maka to Manyosa to Bayan sa corner. Libre. Overshoot. Rebound by Bure to Galagdara. Still not completed. So, Buensan Magdugo. 54-49. Maka to Manyosa penetrate. Paso Mabugnon. Sa ilalim to. Point for Mabugnon. 3 minutes na 15. Fuentes. Holding foul on number 2019. Shot clock 14 seconds. 10 seconds shot clock. Galagdara. Carry ball out. 2 minutes and 55. Manyosa to Bayan to Mabugnon sa gitna. Pass to Gait. 14 seconds on shot clock. Bayan tapaw in the press. Rebound by Gait. Gait to Manyosa. Libre sa press. Bam! 7 minutes and 35. Running score 54-57. 3.8. Nice. Fuentes. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds shot clock. 4 points. 59 against 54. Bayan. Maka. Manyosa. Libre. Short. Rebound by Manyosa. Last 2 minutes Pasubayan, Sabgan, corner, 3 points, 1 minute and 55. 150. 145. 14 seconds shot clock. Bayan, 10 seconds shot clock. No good rebound by Manyosa. 1 minute and 30. Manyosa na libre. No good rebound by Gabe. Gabe to Manyosa. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Maka, no good. 59, 1 minute and 15. Tumabok. Tumabok at 15. 1 minute and 10. 1 minute and 5. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Last 1 minute, 10 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds shot clock. Mahunon, celebration Mahunon, 50 seconds. $45. 40. 14 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. Number 5, Magdugo.
Nice.
Saizit Taidot, Igualis. Warning, JCRT. Bench. Time out. 30. 25, 14 seconds shot clock. €21 segundos. Both teams nabay tag sa katay mga pamilya. Both teams nabay tag sa 21 seconds. Saizit Taidot, Igualis. 21 seconds. Both teams running for the penalty. 15 seconds. 10. 5. Winner, 960.